Good morning, class. I hope everyone's doing well. This is your morning shout out, hello, and also your assignment for the week. We are going to be working on an assignment called Color Wheel Mandala. March 30th through April 3rd. It will be due April 3rd. Okay. We'll also be having a Zoom meeting that I will post Wednesday at 3 p.m. If you can join, that's great. Again, if you can't, it's all right. I'll record it and then repost it. I'll just be kind of troubleshooting any issues you guys are having, kind of go back over the assignment and explain a few more things. On here, the project for the week, I have a link here to my YouTube channel that talks about the project as if we were doing it on Photoshop. But it goes over the basics, how you need to use the color wheel, create a pattern or design, fill it in with a tint and shades, okay, and using line work. We're going to be using, instead of Photoshop, we're going to be using Chrome Canvas on our Chromebooks. You can also, if you're having any issues with it or it's just too stressful, or you just prefer to draw, you can always draw this out on paper, color it in, and then take a picture and submit it. Okay, that's totally fine right now. And again, if you have another draw program, you can use that. I know some students were asking if they have an iPhone or iPad, can they download Adobe Photoshop Sketch? By all means, you can. But again, don't pay for anything. Okay, right now you don't need to be spending money. We have Chrome Canvas that works just fine. Okay, so I'm going to go over right now how to get Chrome Canvas and access it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously go onto Google and then just type in Chrome, Chrome Canvas. Okay, and then Chrome Canvas. And it's a free app. It's taking a while to load. Okay, so I already started a little drawing, but you'll just say new drawing. It's a little tricky, but I don't have a mouse, so I'm using the touchpad. So this is a whole new world for us, but we'll get there. All right. So the cool thing is let's just kind of go over the basics. You have your palette. Okay. You can also go to custom. All right. So for this assignment, you're probably going to want to go into custom because let's say you're doing green, you're going to need your tints and then to your shades. Okay. So you might use 4 colors to fill in your project. Um, there's a pencil which works okay. I found that I'm liking this, like whatever, I don't know, marker or some sort. And then, of course, just like always, you can change the opacity and then the size. Okay. All right. Now the other thing is kind of cool. They do have layers, okay, just like in Photoshop. And then to add a layer, you would go like that. Okay. So let's say we're on layer 1, okay, and we're doing like a pizza pie. Again, as on here on the YouTube channel, it goes over the assignment and it shows what we're doing. So here, let's just present this. So if we go here, so if we're using let me scroll through here. So we're doing mandalas. So if we're taking a color wheel, right, and then we're going to be bringing it into our program like that. Okay. Oh, that's the one I wanted. Hold on. There. So I'm drawing in, let's say that. Okay. So that's going to be my design, right? That's for yellow. And then I'll be filling it in. So on Canvas, and I know this is a little trickier than what we're used to. So what you could do now, if you can't make a circle, if that's too complicated, you can even make squares. Um, so I haven't yet found the shapes. No, I haven't found shapes yet, so I don't think it has it. We are waiting to see if there's some other programs we can use, but for now, this will do. All right, so let's say I'm just going to do my green. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to lower it. Okay, and then if I'm going to come in here and design a shape, Oh, it's not so bad. And again, there. And, kind of keep it simple. And you can make it organic. So you're just using lines to create shape. So let's say I have something simple like that. Now I'm going to go color it in. And so I'm going to use tints and shades. So if I use that, let's see. Here we go. You can kind of color it in. It does not have like a pixel. We can't choose it. So this will definitely take some time. Yeah. Okay. Maybe just do 3. This is tricky. Okay, there we go. All right. And then as the week progresses, we'll all get better at it. And we can kind of share some tips and tricks and different things that we're doing. So again, if you want to use Chrome Canvas, you can. Otherwise, if you need to just draw it out, by all means, you can do that too. I'm just trying to think. I have a mandala right here that I drew out and painted. Okay, it's a little different. It doesn't have the 4 squares, but if you want to kind of head in this direction, but use your color wheel, you can do that as well. Okay. All right. Okay. So good luck. And then I will see you guys Wednesday at the Zoom. If you can make it, awesome. If not, and then we'll talk a little bit about some tips and tricks and kind of where you're at. Okay. All right. Awesome. Have fun. Just enjoy yourself and try your best. Okay. This is all new. Um, we're so used to Photoshop. You guys are experts at Photoshop. You're so good at it. And so am I. And so this is just a whole new, we're just learning new apps. Okay. All right. And I will talk to you later. Bye.